Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delightful Chavalikai Palya, a traditional South Indian stir-fry featuring cluster beans. This healthy and flavorful dish is perfect as a side with rice or roti. We'll cover everything from selecting fresh cluster beans to the final tempering. Get ready to create a wonderful meal that's both nutritious and incredibly tasty, serving 3 to 4 people in about 25 minutes. First, let's get our main ingredient ready. Take about 250 grams of fresh cluster beans, wash them well, and then snap off both ends. Next, chop these beans into uniform 1-inch pieces. For the initial cooking, you can steam them in a pressure cooker with just 1 tablespoon of water for about 2 whistles, or steam them in a vegetable steamer until they are tender yet still vibrant green. Now, let's build the incredible flavor base for our palya. Heat about 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan. Once hot, add 1/4 teaspoon of mustard seeds and let them splutter. Then, toss in 2 sprigs of fresh curry leaves and 2 dry red chilies, sautéing them until they are nice and crisp. Finally, stir in a freshly ground paste made from coconut, sesame seeds, garlic, a hint of tamarind, and a touch of jaggery for that perfect balance. For the grand finale, gently combine your perfectly steamed cluster beans with the aromatic tempering and the rich, ground masala mixture. Stir everything together thoroughly, ensuring every bean is coated with those wonderful flavors. Cook for another 5 minutes until the palya is dry. Garnish generously with freshly chopped coriander leaves. Your delicious Chavalikai Palya is now ready to be served hot, pairing wonderfully with steamed rice, jawar roti, or chapati. Enjoy this healthy and satisfying meal.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.